sitting under this tree, thinking about the Jesus party on April 19th. Oh, what a fun to see God's children in unity and people feeding their belly. Hey, here we on. April 19th. Y'all gotta come out to this Jesus party. This one gonna be epic. This one gonna be bad. Food, high frequency, Axiom Nation, Kendra, Dylan J, Shiomzi, the God Movement. Man, this is gonna be epic. I just getting excited. Don't matter me. Oh, what a fun to see God's children jamming in unity. Hey! That's a new one. That one ain't bad. That one bad. See you there.